Hello Quillers, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a Zfold card with some quilling for Diwali. So all you have to do is take a A4 sheet or even a US document size cardstock, cut it into half longitudinally and then fold it into half, flip it and fold only one flap into another half. Crease it very tight. You can use even a bone folder to do this. And now you get a Z-shaped card. To create more interest to the card, I am going to add some pattern papers which are cut a little bit smaller than the size of these flaps. So first I am going to adhere one to the inside. So this is more of a rectangle shape that is bigger in size. And then I'm going to use another one that is already cut for the top flap. Glue them all down. You can use glue or even you can use some double-sided tape. I prefer using glue. And now we have the card. This inside white is left as such where we can write the message to the receiver. And now I'm going to take two pieces of square. So I'm going to layer them one above the other so the top one is a bit smaller than the white base. And also for the quilling I'm going to use colors that are already present in the pattern paper. Now I'm gluing one half of the square card and then this type adds more interest to the card than just having a Z-shaped card. For the quilling part, I'm going to do a very simple mandala or flower shape, whatever it is. I'm using the purple color to make a tight coil and put it in the center. And then one of the color among the pattern paper, I'm going to take half strips and make tight coils and then going to arrange many of such shapes around the purple circle. For the third layer, I'm going to use some teardrops. So I'm using full strip of yellow. Put it in a circle scale to get the right size and then make teardrops. The next part is to arrange them all like a mandala shape. You can just change the colors or put any design that is comfortable for you to put over the square shape. So when this is done, I'm going to add a strip of paper for the sentiment. So here I'm using the back side of the pattern paper which has a blue shade. Mark it using a pencil and then cut it down perfectly with a cutter. And to create good difference between the background and this, I'm going to take a white sheet of paper which I'm going to use as a layer. So I just put the blue paper over a piece of white cardstock and then cut them a little bit bigger than the blue. The next step is to glue down the blue sheet over the white to make a layer and then adhering it to the cardstock. When it is perfectly stuck, we can add a sentiment. You can stamp or you can write over it or even you can use stickers for the sentiment. So this Zfold card is so much easy to make. One of the easiest fun fold card and I hope you like it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe us and do check out our playlist on Deepavali for more videos.